Good morning students. How are you all? I hope that all of you are safe at your home. Welcome to this class. This is class 7, subject social science, chapter number 7 of civics, understanding advertising. So, in this chapter we are going to learn about advertisement, and it's going to be our lecture number 1 of the chapter understanding advertising. As little bit we talked about in previous chapter also about advertisement. So here in detail we will be learning about advertising. So the topics to be covered in the lecture are: introduction of the chapter we will take. Next, advertisement, what does it mean? Next, consumers, means who are consumers. Number 4, branding. Number 5, reasons for building brand, why the different products they build the brand. So that reason we will learn here, and at last we will take homework on the basis of the topics covered in the lecture. Some questions will be assigned to you in the homework that you will do in your fair register. So let's start with the topics. Introduction. Advertisement or ads are very common at present day for any of the product. You watch different ads in between of your favorite program on TV. That is common for every product and even common for every person. Every person knows about the ads, because whenever we switch on our TV or we start any of the program, any movie, any serial, even the news, so in between of all these events, all these programs, we watch the different ads of different products, isn't it? That is true. But TV is not only the way where we get ads. We listen them on radio, we see them in newspaper, magazines, and even on internet. That is also true, because only on TV we are not getting these ads. These ads we are listening on radio, we just see newspapers, magazines, even on internet. Whenever we are opening any of the site or even we are using the YouTube channel, there also on every channel we can see different ads in between of different videos. Okay, along with all these things, even on taxis, autos, or sometimes even on the walls of the houses, the different ads we see, and the holdings there on the roads, there also we can see different ads. So that advertisement we are going to learn about in this chapter basically. So then what is this advertisement that we are going to do? Okay, so what is this? An advertisement is the promotion of the product, brand and service to attract the consumers. Means what is this advertisement? That is an activity that is done to promote any product and to attract the consumers toward that particular product, brand and service. That activity is known as advertisement. Clear? So an advertisement is the promotion of the product, brand and service to attract the consumers. Now, who are these consumers? Consumer. It refers to the person for whom the goods or products have been made and who pays money to buy and use them. So, who is the consumer? Consumer is the person for whom the goods and products they have been made. Means the person for whom these things, for whom the goods are made, and the person pays money to buy that and for using any of the service. So that person is known as consumer. I hope that both these things you got it very well, advertisement and consumer. Next is one example of the advertisement it is given here. You might have seen these are really very common, only for giving you example it is given there, Horlicks and Complan. You might have seen that these type of ads there on TV, in newspaper. Okay, these are basically given to attract the consumers, to attract the people towards the particular brand, towards the particular thing. Okay, by writing different attractive things there, like here in Horlicks it is written now more chocolate. Okay, and there in Complan it is written best over formula, and it is scientifically designed product. So these are something written to attract the consumers towards these products. So these are the examples of advertisement. Now the next thing is why advertisement is done, means why the different brands they are doing the advertisement. Okay, see, to draw attention towards particular product, definitely the advertisement is basically done to draw attention of the consumers towards the particular brand, particular product. Number 2, describe the products. So in the advertisement what we are looking, we are just looking that in those advertisement basically that particular product that is described. Okay, next thing, create interest to buy the products. Okay, so advertisement they are creating interest of the consumers towards the product to buy them. Here you can see in these two ads what is written, 50% off. So that particular advertisement basically they are fetching the attention of the consumers towards the particular product. Like in second also you can see buy one get one, Pizza Hut. So the pizza lovers definitely they will be attracted towards this advertisement. So these are the advertisement, those are given here to show that they are fetching the attention of the consumers towards these particular products. Clear? Why the advertisement is done, or you can say what do the advertisements do. Okay, these are the particular things what they are doing. Particularly they draw the attention of the consumers, they describe the products, they create interest of the consumers towards the particular product. Clear? Next is type of advertisement. Here we will be doing two types of advertisement. Number 1, commercial advertisement, and number 2, social advertisement. Commercial advertisement, that is basically done to gain the profit, and social advertisement, that is basically done for the welfare of the public only. Okay, let's see one by one. Number 1, commercial advertisement. It is intended to promote the sale of a product by appealing directly to the public. So in commercial advertisement what is there, they are directly appealing, they are giving the different articles, different things to the consumers. They are appealing the consumers directly there towards their product so that they can get the profit. So that is basically intended just to increase the sale of the product. Number 2, it is based on profit. Obviously, because these type of advertisement they are done to increase the sale of the particular product, and if the product sale is increased, that is basically what will be the result? The profit will be increased. So it is based on profit. Basically here different items, different product ads are included in commercial advertisement. Number 3, it is done to promote a product. Why it is done? To attract the people, to promote the particular product. Okay, so commercial advertisement, that is just here to increase the sale of particular product and to get more and more profit. Why it is done? It is done to promote a product or for promotion of the particular product. The next is social advertisement. Social advertisement, that is just related to society. So it is meant to promote social issues. The issues those are beneficial for society. Like it is based on common good, means common profit, common you can say welfare of the public. These social advertisement, they are based on the social issues. Okay, number 3, it is meant to promote social issues like health awareness, public family planning, etc. So here basically in conclusion we can say that the social advertisement or the advertisement, those are basically done to promote the social issues. Here one example here you can say like health awareness. Nowadays you might have seen the different ads there on TV, radio, even when we call someone on our phone, we listen one of the tune there in which they are awareing, they are giving information about corona, that you should keep the distance, you should wash your hands properly, you should use sanitizer. So that why it is done? It is done just to make the people aware about corona. So that is related to the health awareness. So what is the purpose for that? Just for the benefit or for the welfare of the public only it is done. So these two are the different advertisement, commercial advertisement, that is based on the profit only, social advertisement, that is based on the common welfare of the public, and this social advertisement, it just raise the social issues. Okay, the next is brand. Brand basically that is name of any product. So let's see how we define it. This refers to a social identification of name that is associated with a product. Okay, means the identification of the product, or you can say the particular name of the product. And in simple language we can say branding means stamping a product with a particular name, that is brand. Suppose we know that shampoo, that we wash our hair with shampoo, but there are different brands like Clinic Plus, okay, Dove, okay, and Protein. So these are the different brand basically, in not only in shampoo, in different things we are looking for that. So what is this brand? Branding means stamping a product with a particular name. That we will do in detail also how this branding is done. Product. Now what is this product? It refers to a thing or service that has been made for being sold out in the market. Okay, as everywhere we are looking here the product for promotion of the product, for attracting the people towards the product. So what does it mean? So product mean a thing or service that has been made for being sold out in the market. Okay, so brand means in simple language the name of the particular product. Clear? As I gave you example, also we can take any other example. If you take example of soap, that we know that it is used for taking bath, but there are different brands, Lux, Dough. Okay, so here Dettol, different brands are there of everything. So this brand means the stamping a product with a particular name. Clear? Next is example of branding. Okay, see, pulses or dal are usually sold loose in the market. That everybody knows. We can buy different types of pulses from market like masoor, urad, moong, etc. These names of pulses are not a brand name. Okay, as I told you that these pulses, rice or wheat, these things they can be purchased in loose also. Okay, so at that time their name they are just called as a name dal or rice or wheat. That is not a brand. Okay, how this brand that come? See, when these pulses are put into a packet and a special name has been given to it by a company like Rajdhani Dal and Top Taste Dal, that the example in your book also. This naming of a product is known as branding. Clear? As we know that branding we discussed to stamping a particular name. So here also we know that these things they are in the market, they are sold loose also in the market. But if we talk about branding, so in that case even some people they purchase the loose also, and they are even they have the less price even, because for packaging or for different labor is required. So after packaging and advertisement also it is added there in with any of the brand. So advertisement, packaging, these things they require the labor also. So in that process definitely the rate of a particular thing that increase. But some of the people they believe that the branded thing they are better than the things those are in loose. So they just believe to purchase the branded things. So what here it is given example of branding, how the branding is done. Okay, how they are different from the particular thing. Clear? Here we have taken the example of pulses only. We can take any other example also. Clear? So here in example we have seen that when any of the thing that is put into the packet and special name has been given to them by a company. Okay, and this naming of the product is known as branding. Clear? I think after this example that is clear to you what is this branding. The next is reason for building brand to advertise. Means when any of the particular product that is advertised before the people or before the consumers, definitely some special brand is to be there. For advertisement the brand building that is necessary basically. What are the reasons for that? Number one, it promotes, here promotes will come, it promotes a produce of a particular company, where if any of the product advertisement is there, it means that advertisement it is focusing, it is promoting a particular company only. Okay, if any of the advertisement is there about you can say any drink like Coca-Cola or Dew. Okay, so that if the particular advertisement which is about Coca-Cola, so that that particular produce, that particular object that is promoting there in that ad. Okay, so it promotes a produce of a particular company with the particular brand. Number two, it helps to differentiate with other products in the market. This is very important. Like how we differentiate different items there. Definitely when we look at the brand, we can differentiate different items there in the market. Otherwise, if there is no brand over any of the packet, how can we differentiate those products? There is nothing to differentiate, because everything, if we are taking the packets of any of the dal, they are in front of us, and different packets we are having, and there are no branding on those packets. So there is nothing how we identify them, all those packets. So that is branding only that differentiate the different products with others in the market. So clear? So these are the topics that we have covered in today's lecture. I hope that all these topics you have understood. The advertisement we have done, the types of advertisement we have done what do advertisement do, we have done the examples of advertisement, we have done the brand, then the example also how this branding is done, and for advertisement how this brand that is necessary. Clear? I hope that all these topics you have understood. Now it's time for homework. Today you will do some questions there, like question number 1 is, what do you understand by the word brand? List 2 reasons why building brands is central to advertisement. Here just now we have completed that why the building brand that is central feature for advertisement. Okay, why it is necessary. Question number 2, distinguish between commercial and social advertisement. Means you will differentiate between commercial and social advertisement here. Question number 3, who is a consumer? You will define here who is a consumer. Number 4, what is advertisement? What do advertisements do? Write here S also. What do advertisements do? Question number 5, that is, what is product? Clear? So these questions you are going to do there in your fair register. Clear? And on the very next day you will check them when you will get the solution also. Now that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.